T-bone steak. Ingredients: 1 T-bone steak, roughly 1–1.5 inches thick. 1–2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. 1–2 sprigs of fresh thyme. 2 tablespoons butter. 1–2 whole garlic cloves. Salt and pepper to taste. Directions: preheat the oven to 415 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove steak from the fridge 30 minutes before cooking. This is to bring the steak to room temperature and ensure your cooking times are more accurate. Season both sides liberally with salt and pepper. The more the better. Add butter to an oven-safe cast iron skillet and turn up high. Allow the skillet to become hot. Place the T-bone steak face down and sear undisturbed for 2 minutes. Flip and sear for an additional 2 minutes. This will give your steak a nice seared edge. Add whole garlic cloves, fresh rosemary, and thyme to the skillet and immediately transfer your skillet directly to the oven. Warning: skillet may be hot, handle with oven mitts. For rare, bake for 4 minutes. Medium rare, 4 to 5 minutes. Medium, 6 to 7 minutes. Medium well, 7 to 8 minutes. Remember, depending on the thickness of the steak, the more or less time it will take. This recipe is ideal for 1 to 1.5 inch thick portions, about 16 to 24 ounces. Steaks less than 1 inch thick should only be seared for 1 minute per side before baking. Remove steaks from the oven and spoon the garlic and rosemary infused butter drippings from the pan over the steaks. Plate the steak and let sit for 5 minutes before serving. This is important to bring your steak to its final serving temperature.